what you looking at? 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 What you looking at?
Sserafim just came out with a brand new music video, their comeback. I heard a lot of it. I saw like the teasers. Thanks to my Twitch chat, guys. I do react to more K-pop stuff on Twitch, so go follow it. Link in the description down below. I'm gonna be live around 4 p.m. PST today. I be like killing it with the girl groups though. Though there has been some controversies here and there. But the music videos and the music they've been producing now, they still going hard in the paint. If you know what that means. That's a basketball term. I'm sorry. Anyways, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Captions on in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, Antifragile. Ooh. Girl, I wish I could split like that too. Hey, let's go. A meteorite. A mega? Ooh. Ooh. Hey, let's go. Ooh. You make me boost up. I almost thought that she said me gusta because it sounds like a reggaeton kind of beat. Like. Ooh. Ooh, and the outfit's too good. Damn. She better walk. What is happening? It's a bunch of skaters. Ooh, okay, makeup. Ooh. Damn, she said it just like how like I listened to some like Rosalia, and the way she said it, I was like, damn. Ooh. Yes, you better get that. Damn. Okay, flexibility. Huh. A lot of things mixing up in here. I like the amateurist like filming, kind of like old school retro filming. I love that. Antifragile though. Antifragile. Woo! Yes! Oh! The way that beats in, boom, boom. Oh, you better slay, man. I love how she says lion. Desire. Ooh, stop. Ooh. That's the most extra way to do shoes. And they're lovely. Don't forget the point, my point. Ooh. The little anti-fragile. Body roll with the flex. Let's go. She got some muscle, yeah. That's fire. Oh, it's like a lot. Anti-fragile. Break it. She is. How do you do that technique? Nah, I was about to try it, but you know what? I might hurt something. I might pull something. Maybe a groin. I don't know. Damn. We can break it, baby. Ooh. Gonna break out. Gonna break. Whoa. Antifragile, antifragile. What the hell? This got me acting up. When the hell have I danced like that it's been a minute. I don't know, maybe because I miss Miami and you know, reggaeton is always like in Miami as well, of course. You know, I guess I miss it. And let's Sserafim give me a little taste of it. Okay, let's go. Oh, that was cute. Fragile. Oh, they're anti-fragile. Girl, I was gonna say, damn, what a way to go out, I guess. They said, nah, next comeback. What's next comeback? Unbreakable?
The Sserafim.
So you're fearless, anti-fragile, what's next? Next one better be something like no F's, no fucks. Something. Or maybe they're gonna show the vulnerable side. I don't know, but let's Sserafim, I'm fearless. Killing that ish, bro. Killing that ish. Lion, desire, fire. I fucking love it. Well, they got me dancing, they got me moving. If that doesn't sum up that I like the song, then I don't know what does. Alright, y'all, put in the comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Go check out the music video, link in the description. Guys, I am gonna be on Twitch later today. I Twitch mostly every day at 4 p.m. PST or 6 p.m. PST. Kind of depends in that kind of area. But go hit me with a follow for that one. Go check out my Twitch when I go live. Follow my Discord, link in the description as well. Alright, y'all. Till next time, everybody, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X toe, that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.